Welcome to a video on how to become a data analyst. Data analysis is one of the fastest growing and in-demand fields today. But what do data analysts do, and how is that role evolving over time? So we're going to start off with a quick definition of what a data analyst entails, then get into what a data analyst does in the course of their work. So a data analyst is someone who collects, processes, and interprets large sets of data to gain insights and make informed decisions. They use data visualization, statistical analysis, and other techniques to understand patterns and trends in data. The insights that they uncover can help inform business decisions, improve products, or even identify new business opportunities. There are many different career paths available in data analysis, and this is from data analysts becoming a data analyst within the financial sector, or in marketing, or in healthcare, and many more. To become a data analyst, you will need a combination of technical skills and analytical skills. And in this video, we'll take a look at the key skills and knowledge you need to get started in this field, as well as some of the tools and technologies that you'll need to master. Before you can begin analyzing data, it's important to understand the basics of data types, variables, statistical concepts, depending on whatever tool that you choose, whether it's Python or whether it's R. It's important to understand those particular concepts. It's important also to understand when you're looking at data, what exactly are you working with in terms of variables, whether they're independent variables or dependent variables, and which are going to be relevant in answering research questions. So it's crucial that you have a good understanding of the data that you're working with, so that you can be able later onwards to use it for answering any sort of research problem that you would get as a data analyst. Data visualization is also an important aspect of data analysis, as it helps you to quickly understand patterns and trends in your data. So there are many types of data visualization techniques, such as bar charts, line charts, scatter plots, that you will come across. And all of these different types of charts will be able to help you uncover different things. Like scatter plots will help you to understand whether there are relationships between the variables that you're working with. So generally, learning how to effectively visualize data is an important skill for data analysts. There are many different tools and technologies available for data analysis. I've already mentioned a few, and some of the most popular ones include Excel, R, and Python. Excel is powerful because it helps you to be able to perform the basic analysis that you would possibly undertake. So it's usually the standard of data analysis, and it involves an interaction with a graphical user interface, as opposed to R or Python. R is a programming language that is particularly popular for data analysis and visualization, and it's well popular among researchers or the academia. While on the other side, Python is a general purpose programming language that's widely used for data analysis, and it's quite popular when it comes to later creating machine learning models that would help in determining some sort of, or making predictions based on the data that you're working with. So learning to use these tools effectively will be important for you, for you becoming a data analyst. You'll also need to know how to use them when it comes to data cleaning, analysis, or visualizations. And there are many tutorials and resources available online to help you learn these tools. Generally, data analysis can be divided into three main types of analysis. There's descriptive, there's inferential, and predictive analysis. In some literatures, you might get to hear of prescriptive analysis, which involves a combination of descriptive, inferential, and predictive analysis. Descriptive analysis just basically involves summarizing and describing data, and it's used to understand basic characteristics of data, and it's often used as the first step of analysis. Inferential analysis uses basically statistical methods to make inferences about a larger population based on some sort of sample data, and it helps us to understand patterns and relationships in data and make predictions about future events. If you've heard about hypothesis testing or A/B testing, those are some of the techniques that you would employ when it comes to inferential analysis. Predictive analysis, on the other hand, uses statistical models and machine learning algorithms to make predictions about future events. And it's a type of analysis that can be used for tasks like forecasting, classification, or regression. Classification basically means that you are predicting some sort of category or class. So whether some event will happen or not, or which type, or whether maybe a customer will default or not, whether a customer is likely to purchase a product or not. So that's a classification type of a problem, while a regression type of a problem is basically one where you're trying to predict some numerical figure, like, what will be the temperature tomorrow, or what will be the price of a particular product in the future, maybe a house or a product, etc. So it's important for data analysts to understand the strengths and limitations of each of the mentioned types of analysis and to know when to use which one. One of the best ways to learn data analysis is usually to see it in action. And there are many resources where you can be able to see some real examples of real-world data analysis projects and case studies. You'll get to see projects using structured data. This is data that's in tables, and unstructured data that could be in the form of text or even in images. So understanding how to work with different types of data is also an important skill for data analysts that you can learn in the long run. Last but not least, it's important also for data analysts to know how to communicate their findings to non-technical stakeholders. And this can involve creating clear and informative visualizations, as well as presenting results in a way that's easy for others to understand. We've already covered a few things with regards to different types of visuals in this video, and hopefully over time you'll be able to make presentations for different audiences, reach out to maybe persons who are hosting workshops, and ask whether you can be able to present maybe your own project that you've done on a particular topic that they are looking towards hosting for that workshop that they have. So in this video, we've covered the key skills and knowledge you need to become a data analyst. We've looked at the basics of data analysis and the tools and technologies you'll need to master, and how to apply your skills to real-world projects. Do remember that becoming a data analyst is an ongoing process, and the field is constantly evolving. There are many resources and opportunities available to help you continue learning and expanding your skill set. Do also network with other data analysts and stay up to date with the latest developments in the field, as that will also be important. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on data analysis and other data science related topics. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them in the comment section. All the best.